A simple yet powerful strategy was about to change everything. Enter the salami method. Named for its resemblance to slicing a salami into manageable pieces, this technique transforms overwhelming tasks into bite-sized chunks, making them easier to tackle and conquer. It's a method that not only promises productivity but also delivers a sense of accomplishment with every slice. Emma first heard about the salami method from her mentor, Mr. Thompson, a seasoned project manager known for his uncanny ability to meet deadlines without breaking a sweat. During one of their regular catch-up meetings, Emma confessed her struggles with managing her workload. Mr. Thompson smiled knowingly and shared his secret. "You see, Emma, when you look at a whole salami, it seems impossible to eat it all at once. But if you slice it, piece by piece, it becomes manageable. The same goes for your tasks. Break them down into smaller, manageable pieces, and you'll find it much easier to finish them," he explained. Understanding the salami method. At its core, the salami method involves breaking down a large task into smaller, more manageable parts. Each slice is a step that brings you closer to completing the entire task. This method leverages the psychological benefit of completing small tasks, which can boost motivation and reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. Why does the salami method work? By focusing on one small piece at a time, you avoid the paralysis that comes from trying to tackle a massive project all at once. Smaller tasks are easier to start and finish, leading to a steady stream of accomplishments. Each completed slice serves as a mini-victory, encouraging you to keep going. Concentrating on one small task at a time reduces distractions and enhances your ability to focus. Breaking down tasks forces you to think through the steps needed to complete a project, leading to better planning and time management. If you found the video helpful so far, please subscribe to my channel. Now, how can we implement the salami method? 1. Identify the big task. Start by clearly defining the large task or project you need to complete. This could be anything from writing a report to cleaning your entire house. Then, divide the big task into smaller, manageable slices. For instance, if you're writing a report, slices could include researching, outlining, writing different sections, and editing. Now, prioritize the slices. Arrange the slices in a logical order. Some tasks may need to be completed before others, so prioritize accordingly. After this step, assign clear, achievable goals for each slice. Instead of a vague task like work on the report, aim for write the introduction or research for 1 hour. Plan your slices. Allocate time in your timetable for each slice. Be realistic about how long each part will take and don't forget to include breaks. Concentrate on completing one slice at a time. Avoid multitasking and give your full attention to the current piece. After completing each slice, take a moment to acknowledge your progress. Small rewards can boost your motivation and make the process more enjoyable. Periodically review your progress and adjust your plan if necessary. Some slices might take more or less time than anticipated, so be flexible and adapt as needed. Emma decided to put the salami method into practice. She started with her biggest project, a comprehensive market analysis report due in 3 weeks. Following Mr. Thompson's advice, she broke the project down into smaller tasks, researching market trends, analyzing competitors, conducting surveys, compiling data, and writing each section of the report. Every morning, Emma tackled one slice. On Monday, she focused solely on gathering recent market trend reports. By the end of the day, she had a comprehensive set of data and felt a sense of achievement. On Tuesday, she analyzed competitor strategies, and by the end of the week, she had completed several key slices of her project. With each completed slice, Emma's confidence grew. The mountain of work that once seemed insurmountable was now a series of manageable steps. She found herself more focused and productive, and her stress levels significantly decreased. By the end of the 3 weeks, Emma not only finished her report ahead of schedule but also delivered a thorough and well-organized analysis that impressed her superiors. The Salami Method is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their productivity and manage their tasks more effectively. By breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable slices, you can reduce overwhelm, increase your focus, and maintain a steady pace towards completing your goals. Emma's story is a testament to the effectiveness of this method. Next time you're faced with a daunting task, remember the salami. Slice it up and tackle each piece with ease.